Hey everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern from Modern Salon TV. It is the last day, the last minute of the ABS show in Chicago. And guess who was one of the hottest people here? Our own Sam Villa. Great show, congratulations.
Thank you, Maggie. You know, I really like this show. I love this ABS show because it's really educational. There's so much to see. So if you've never been to this show, you got to come to ABS. You got to put it on your educational calendar. It's one of the best ones for me. I just love it.
It's one of the, and people couldn't get close enough to you. I mean, you were giving some powerful education. What did people respond to the most? What were the biggest words and the biggest message that you got out there?
I think the biggest message was the idea of just kind of thinking what we're doing, how we're doing things behind the chair, doing things in a different way, and finding things to do maybe what we already do, but do it in a different way, number one. Number two was all about the language, the verbiage. You know, getting rid of the word asymmetrical, start saying tilt your haircut. Getting the word of your haircut is versatile, start saying your haircut has double identity. Getting the word of back comb or volume and start saying, let's make your haircut frothy. But I really believe that, you know, like disconnection, get rid of that word and start saying detach your haircut. And the reason I want people to do that, want you to do that, is because it gets the conversation going again. And that's what we got to do in this industry. We've got to get the conversation going again by just, it's not that I want to reinvent things. There's a purpose, and the purpose is to get the conversation going again. And then the other thing is this, I talked about value. How clients are walking in salons now and they're looking for value. Look at what JCPenney just did. They just hired Martha Stewart. Why? Because they realized they want to elevate the brand to a different value. H&M did that with Stella McCartney. Kohl's did it with Narciso Rodriguez. Target's done it with, who did Target just do it? With Neiman Marcus. So they realize that they're a discount brand, but they need to add value to the brand. Now, I want you to think about that. What value are you adding behind the chair? That's critical in today's world. Remember what I just said, today's world. Years ago, 20, 25 years ago, Maggie, they were lined up for us. Now, they're a little bit more particular in terms of who they're looking for and what they're looking for. And that's been the message the entire weekend.
Okay, well, no, it's been a very good message. And people also responded to what you said about the break room. What's your story there?
Well, I really believe that when, you know, the break room, people say, why do you call it a break room? Because you're taking a break. Well, if you're really busy behind the chair, do you have time to take a break? You know, I really believe that the break room, there's danger in the break room. And the danger that I feel that's in the break room is there's no money to be made in the break room. I really believe, and excuse me for saying this, but I believe it's a disease in the break room. So people say, well, where do I take a break? Get out of the salon. Get some fresh air. Go next door to the cafe. Walk across the street, but get out of the salon and take a break. Or take a break on the salon floor and just stand around and watch your colleagues work or help them. And, you know, watch what's going to happen. When you do that, now you're adding value to you and branding yourself within that salon, and that's critical. So get out of the break room, no money to be made there, no value there.
Oh, well, you know, you're the best. Congratulations on your success. I'm so happy so many people were able to see you in action and learn so much from you, and I'm so happy that everybody in the Modern Salon TV audience got to learn more from you. Thank you for this time. I know you just want to pack up and go rest your feet.
No, it's okay.
You want to go take a break. You want to go take a break room.
Yeah, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take a break and walk around the floor for the first time. Listen, if you're not a fan of Modern Salon, you need to be a fan of Modern Salon. Great magazine, great people, and very educational.
Thank you. Oh, you're the best, and you should be a fan if you're not already of Sam Villa. Thanks so much for this time.
You're welcome, Maggie.
All right, bye.
Bye.